Welcome to Impact Media. We're a WordPress agency that help marketers with two solutions. Solution number one is if you're looking to re-platform your website onto WordPress, or you already have a WordPress website and you're looking for a bespoke solution, we build bespoke WordPress websites. No themes, no templates, no starter themes. We want to make sure that the website is built around you. It's performance ready, it's conversion rate optimization focused as well, and it's built for speed. So if you're looking for high rankings and your SEO agency are pushing fast websites, we can help you achieve that. The other big thing that we do from our site builds as well is we engineer the back-end editing experience to be as easy as possible. So none of this clunky, can't edit this particular area. We want to make every area as editable as possible, but we want to give you the tools to do it. We call this to teach you to fish mentality, where we can give you the tools and you can build out pages yourself visually, and it's easy to use. That's our fundamental aspect of what we do here at Impact. And the second thing we can help marketers with is ongoing support and maintenance of existing websites. So if you have got an existing WordPress website, you might be looking for additional maintenance. You might be looking for someone to be on hand to answer support tickets, bug fixes, or if it's to further develop what you already have. You might have fallen out with your agency, you're looking for someone to build new features onto your existing website. We can help you achieve those things. So if it sounds like we might be a good fit for one another, schedule a discovery call with me, James, and we'll see if there's chemistry between ourselves.